This is the FYBIT exchange, and trading Bitcoin on FYBIT has been a great experience. Right here, 27%. If we look at that in BTC terms, that's $5,500 before fees. That's an excellent profit. This is a nice exchange. Now look, I close when my profit starts going down. This is Bitcoin in and Bitcoin out. This is a simple exchange for people to get started with. When I started, I became an expert in Bitcoin first. Grab a screenshot. I love my screenshots. An expert in trading only Bitcoin first. And on this, you can use an anti-liquidation countermeasure. Although I don't need it right now, I'm going to show you how to do it. We don't use any of this. We deposit only Bitcoin, but if we wanted to trade one of these four, we can convert our Bitcoin to one of those four. Once again, when you withdraw, it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. So you're going to convert back from whatever you had to Bitcoin to withdraw. So I'm watching my profit. 0.228 is really nice. Let's see what that is now. 2.8. So it's $5,500. If I come here, take a look. I'm going to get ready to close this. What we're looking for is the balance to increase. Now, as this profit goes down, I'm going to get ready to close. Such a simple, calm exchange. Now, you can trade multiple things at the same time. If I'm right there, look at my profit, 28.7. We don't want to get stuck in a negative trade. And I'm going to wrap that up. Watch my balance increase. Boom. Very good. This is how simple this is. There's no VPN. There's nothing. There's great customer support. Here's where you deposit, and where this will be your deposit address, your withdrawal. You put in your address. It gives you instant withdrawals. Get yourself an Exodus wallet like this so you can withdraw to here and hold it. I love this exchange for the sheer simplicity of it. It's a 1 minute chart. Okay, you can still use BitMEX or BingX to see your time frames, but right now the direction is clearly short. So I'm going to play this simple game at market at 50x. I don't do really more than that here, and I don't do less. It's too slow. You do have to work in the decimal system, so I hope you paid attention in school. But this is 3 minutes of how to use FYBIT, and that's it. Easy. Oh, let me show you my kill trade from today. I could show you a screenshot, right? But what's better than watching me turn, I don't know what this was, but into almost $20,000. Check this out. Look, an 18%. I'm going to share this with my Discord. Look at that. I'm still smooth over here. I'm good. It's moving slow because I'm at 50. That was earlier today. I can teach anyone how to do this. Matter of fact, I'm going to drop a quickie in down here. 0.25 of the Bitcoin right there. Boom. See, when we're dropping, and you can go instantly into profit, but when we're dropping like this is really easy to do, and I'll tell you, don't go less than 50x, don't go more. This is a really nice beginner's exchange. If you wanted to protect that trade from a pump, you take the same amount or half, okay? And what you're going to do is go to limit, and you're going to make it $10 less than your liquidation price. Watch this. Let's do the same amount as in the trade, so it'll cut it in half if I wanted to leave it overnight if it fired off. So our cut loss is here. Subtract $10 from that. So price, 26,053. Here's the trick. Limit order at 1x. Buy down. Never use a stop loss in leverage trading. And it's here. If this gets within $10 of liquidating you, and here's the parameters of liquidation for FYBIT, you need to be down 75% to get liquidated. But if you have an anti-liquidation countermeasure like this one, and this only works on this FYBIT exchange, If you have an anti-liquidation countermeasure just like this, well, within $10 of the price has to be exactly $10, this will fire off. It's equal to your trade size. It will fire off at 1x and blend it into your existing trade, reducing your leverage down by dilution, okay, to 25x, and pushing your cut loss away so that you can go ahead and not be liquidated. As long as you have direction, this technique is very powerful. And if you need to and you get a new cut loss and it's still pumping, you could add another one. That's why we don't put our whole wallet in the trade. Wallet management. Size the trade properly or be sorry. What does that mean? Everybody would love a 303% return. But if you put $10 in the trade, that ain't worth shit. So find your size for your trade that doesn't make you nervous if it goes down and pays you a hell of a good payday when you hit. That's how we do it. So this trade is now set for the night. So these are your lessons. And one more pro tip. The bigger I win, the more I win. My trade sizes keep staying the same. You know why? So they can never get it back from me. Booyah. And really, it's that simple. So you can click the link below from any country, anywhere. You can get really, really good at leverage trading Bitcoin at 50x with my anti-liquidation countermeasure. One thing to keep in mind, if you are longing, your ALCM must be $10 above your cut loss, not below. Okay? It's common sense, very easy to figure out. I don't bother trading these here. But if you were to trade Ethereum, okay, your cut loss, your ALCM needs to be $1 away. Okay? It needs to be $1, not $10. Bitcoin is $10. Hone your skills on Bitcoin. Become an assassin, a sniper, an animal to be reckoned with. It's a very soothing, calm exchange. I like it a lot. You might want to try it as you hear my microphone slide across the table. Sweet sounds of money. Stay frosty, bitches. Don't let anyone ever stop you from trying to get rich. Everybody deserves an opportunity. And if you're serious, you can book my special session. 0.10, it's listed below. In 1 hour, I can teach you a skill that would take you 20 years to learn on your own. Simple game of war. How to enter, how to exit, how to beat this. Links below the video. Oh, and for simplicity's sake, if you slide over here, that's your total fee. So anything over that, you win. Be a winner.